Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your go-to destination for transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary homes. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're diving into one of my favorite topics, creating that perfect farmhouse Christmas magic throughout your entire home. If you love the idea of blending rustic charm with holiday warmth, you're in for a treat. We'll explore every corner of your home, from the welcoming facade to the cozy bedroom retreat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find these ideas inspiring. Your support means the world to me. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite farmhouse Christmas tradition. Let's create some holiday magic together. Your home's exterior sets the stage for the entire holiday experience. And nothing says farmhouse Christmas like a perfectly styled facade. Start with a classic evergreen wreath featuring eucalyptus sprigs and burlap ribbon. This creates that essential rustic foundation we love. Add wooden window boxes filled with winter greenery, red berry branches, and miniature pinnacones for authentic texture. String warm white lights along your porch railings and wrap them round porch columns for that magical glow. Consider adding galvanized metal planters with small evergreen trees flanking your front door. The key is layering natural elements with vintage-inspired accents like weathered lanterns and plaid ribbons to achieve the effortless farmhouse aesthetic. Your entryway is where the Christmas magic begins, so let's make it count. Create a functional yet festive coat hanging area using vintage-style hooks mounted on reclaimed wood boards. Add a rustic wooden bench with cozy plaid cushions for seating while changing shoes. Install a weathered wooden shoe cabinet underneath, topped with a galvanized metal tray for keys and small holiday decorations. Above this arrangement, hang a large vintage-inspired mirror with a simple evergreen garland draped across the top. Place a natural fiber doormat with subtle Christmas messaging like merry and bright in classic farmhouse fonts. Complete the look with a tall wooden ladder leaning against the wall, decorated with mini stockings and string lights. The living room becomes your holiday command center, so let's infuse it with farmhouse Christmas charm. Start with your existing neutral furniture and add layers of holiday textiles. Think buffalo plaid throw pillows, chunky knit blankets in cream and red, and cozy sheepskin rugs. Your Christmas tree should embrace the farmhouse aesthetic with burlap ribbon, wooden ornaments, and warm white lights. Skip the traditional tree skirt for a vintage galvanized tub or woven basket that adds authentic character. Create a stunning mantle display using fresh garland, mercury glass votives, and vintage wooden signs with Christmas messages. Add height variation with different sized candlesticks and incorporate natural elements like pinnacones and birch logs for that organic farmhouse feel. Transform your dining space into a Christmas feast destination with farmhouse flair. Center your table with a long wooden dough ball filled with mixed greenery, white candles, and burgundy accents. Layer different textures using burlap table runners, linen napkins, and vintage-inspired dinnerware in creamy whites and soft grays. Create height interest with varying candle heights. Use wooden candlesticks, mason jar votives, and pillar candles on small tree rounds. Hang a simple evergreen chandelier above the table using fishing line and battery-operated string lights for magical overhead ambience. Add personal touches with handwritten place cards tied with twine and small potted herbs as take-home gifts for guests. The goal is creating warmth and intimacy while maintaining the effortless farmhouse sophistication. Your farmhouse kitchen deserves special Christmas attention since it's where holiday magic truly happens. Style your open shelving with vintage-inspired canisters filled with holiday treats, displaying them alongside everyday white dishes and mason jars filled with cinnamon sticks or cranberries. Drape simple garland along upper cabinet edges, securing with tiny battery lights for subtle warmth. Transform your coffee station into a hot cocoa bar using a galvanized tray, mason jar mugs, and vintage-style thermoses. Add festive tea towels with subtle Christmas patterns and hang them from vintage-style hooks. Place a small potted rosemary plant near your stove. It doubles as holiday decor and fresh herbs. Style your refrigerator top with a wooden tray containing candles and small evergreen arrangements, keeping it simple yet seasonally appropriate. Create the ultimate family gathering space where Christmas memories are made. Range your seating around your flat-screen TV with plenty of cozy throw blankets in Christmas colors, deep reds, forest greens, and creamy whites. Add a large ottoman that doubles as extra seating and a surface for holiday games and treats. Style built-in shelving or meteor consoles with Christmas books, vintage thermoses, and small evergreen arrangements in galvanized containers. Create ambient lighting using string lights draped behind your TV or along shelving units. Add a vintage wooden crate filled with holiday movies and cozy socks for family movie nights. The key is balancing functionality with festive touches, ensuring your family can relax and enjoy the season while surrounded by beautiful, intentional holiday decor. Even your workspace deserves holiday cheer. Keep decorations minimal yet meaningful to maintain productivity while embracing the season. Add a small evergreen arrangement in a vintage mason jar to your desk alongside your existing small radio and desk clock. Swap out your regular desk accessories for vintage-inspired versions in warm metals like brass or aged copper. Create a small inspiration board using a vintage window frame filled with Christmas cards and family photos. Add a cozy throw to your desk chair and place a small basket underneath for storing holiday cards or gift wrapping supplies. String battery-operated fairy lights around your window frame or bookshelf for gentle ambient lighting. The goal is subtle seasonal touches that inspire without overwhelming your productive workspace environment. Transform your reading nook into the perfect holiday escape. Layer your existing seating with holiday-themed throw pillows and a luxurious box for throw blanket. Create a small side table vignette using a stack of Christmas books topped with a small evergreen sprig and battery candle. Add a vintage-style basket nearby for storing additional holiday reading materials and cozy accessories. Hang string lights around your reading area or drape them over nearby shelving for warm ambient lighting. Consider adding a small diffuser with pine or cinnamon scents to enhance the cozy atmosphere. Place a vintage thermos nearby for keeping hot chocolate or tea warm during long reading sessions. The key is creating a cocoon of comfort where you can escape with a good book while being surrounded by subtle holiday magic. Your bedroom should be a serene holiday retreat that promotes restful sleep while celebrating the season. Focus on textural layering using holiday-appropriate bedding in neutral tones with subtle Christmas patterns. Add throw pillows in soft reds and greens, paired with chunky knit blankets draped at the foot of your bed. Create a dresser top display using a vintage wooden tray filled with small evergreen arrangements, mercury glass votives, and perhaps a small vintage Santa figure. Hang a simple evergreen wreath above your headboard or on your bedroom door. Add subtle string lights around your headboard or window frame for gentle nighttime ambience. Keep scents subtle with a small pine-scented candle or diffuser. The goal is creating peaceful holiday ambience that won't interfere with sleep quality. Prepare your guest room to welcome holiday visitors with Farmhouse Christmas charm. Style the bedside table with a small evergreen arrangement in a mason jar alongside a vintage-inspired lamp and stack of Christmas magazines. Provide extra holiday-themed throw blankets and pillows for guest comfort. Create a small welcome basket filled with holiday treats, bottled water, and perhaps some travel-sized toiletries in festive packaging. Add a simple welcome sign to the dresser or nightstand. Hang a small wreath on the closet door and provide extra hangers wrapped with ribbon for guest convenience. Place a vintage wooden crate at the foot of the bed for storing extra blankets or serving as a luggage rack. The key is thoughtful touches that make guests feel welcomed and comfortable during their holiday stay. Even your bathroom can embrace farmhouse Christmas style. Replace regular towels with holiday-themed versions in classic red and white patterns or neutral tones with subtle Christmas embroidery. Add a small evergreen arrangement to your vanity counter in a galvanized container that won't be affected by bathroom humidity. Hang a simple evergreen garland around your bathroom mirror, securing with removable adhesive hooks. Place battery-operated candles on your vanity for safe ambient lighting during evening routines. Add a small basket filled with holiday hand soaps or guest towels rolled and tied with ribbon. Consider swapping your shower curtain for one with subtle holiday patterns, or stick with neutrals and add holiday-themed accessories. Keep everything functional while adding those special seasonal touches that surprise and delight. Create magical Christmas bedrooms for the little ones that balance excitement with good sleep. Use removable wall decals featuring Christmas trees, snowflakes, or reindeer that can be easily changed after the holidays. Add holiday-themed bedding in fun patterns like Christmas plaid or winter animals. Create a special Christmas book nook in their room with holiday stories and a small reading light. Hang string lights around their window or door frame at a safe height. Add a small Christmas countdown calendar to their dresser or wall. Place a special Christmas stuffed animal on their bed and perhaps a small artificial tree they can decorate with child-safe ornaments. Consider adding a small basket for Santa cookies and milk on Christmas Eve. The goal is creating wonder and excitement while maintaining a space conducive to rest. Don't forget your garage and utility spaces. They deserve holiday attention too. Add simple garland around your garage door frame and hang a weather-resistant wreath on the exterior door. String outdoor-rated lights along your garage ceiling or around windows for evening ambience. Create organized storage using vintage-inspired bins and baskets that can hide holiday decorations or seasonal items. Add a simple wooden bench for changing shoes when coming in from outside activities. Place a galvanized container near the door for umbrellas, snow tools, or pet supplies. Consider adding a small artificial tree in a sturdy container if you have the space. Keep decorations simple and weather appropriate while maintaining the functionality you need for daily activities and holiday preparation tasks. Extend your farmhouse Christmas magic to your outdoor living spaces. Wrap string lights around porch railings, posts, and overhead structures for magical evening ambience. Add weather-resistant throw pillows and blankets to outdoor furniture in holiday colors. Create container gardens using galvanized buckets or vintage-style planters filled with winter evergreens and berry branches. Hang outdoor-rated wreaths on exterior doors and windows. Add lanterns with battery candles for safe outdoor lighting that can withstand weather changes. Consider adding a small outdoor artificial tree in a sturdy planter if you have covered space. Place weather-resistant baskets near seating areas for storing outdoor accessories. The goal is creating inviting outdoor spaces that can be enjoyed during mild winter days while extending your home's holiday beauty to the exterior. Your mudroom becomes extra important during the holiday season, so let's make it both beautiful and functional. Install hooks at varying heights for coats, bags, and holiday shopping totes. Add a bench with storage underneath for boots and seasonal accessories. Create designated spaces for each family member using vintage-style baskets or bins. Add a small mirror for last-minute appearance checks before holiday gatherings. Hang a simple wreath or garland above the bench area. Place a waterproof mat for wet boots and shoes during winter weather. Add a small shelf or basket for keys, sunglasses, and small holiday items. Consider installing a small calendar or message board for keeping track of holiday events and activities. The key is maintaining organization while adding seasonal touches that make daily routines more pleasant. Transform your hallways and stairways into Christmas pathways that connect all your beautifully decorated spaces. Drape garland along stair railings, securing with wire or zip ties, and add battery-operated string lights for magical ambience. Hang small wreaths at regular intervals along hallway walls or at the top and bottom of staircases. Add holiday family photos in vintage-inspired frames along hallway walls. Create small vignettes on hall tables using candles, small evergreen arrangements, and vintage Christmas decorations. Consider adding a vintage ladder against a hallway wall decorated with small stockings or holiday garland. Place a runner carpet in holiday colors along long hallways. Add small battery candles on windowsills or shelves for gentle lighting during evening hours. The goal is creating seamless holiday flow throughout your entire home. Even your laundry room deserves some Christmas love. Add a simple garland above your washer and dryer area. Replace regular storage containers with vintage-inspired baskets and bins that double as seasonal decor. Add holiday-scented dryer balls or fabric softener to make laundry smell festive. Place a small artificial tree on top of your dryer if space allows. Add holiday hand towels and perhaps a small seasonal soap dispenser. Create organized storage for gift wrapping supplies using clear containers or vintage-style boxes. Add a small basket for holiday cloth napkins or table linens that need special care. Consider hanging a small wreath on the laundry room door. Keep decorations simple and functional while adding those special touches that make even mundane tasks feel more festive during the holiday season. Don't overlook your storage spaces when creating your farmhouse Christmas home. Organize your holiday decorations in vintage-inspired containers that look beautiful even when stored. Label everything clearly using craft paper tags tied with twine for that authentic farmhouse look. Create designated areas for different types of decorations, ornaments, lights, garland, and outdoor items. Add battery-operated lights to storage areas for better visibility when retrieving decorations. Use wooden crates and galvanized containers that double as decorative storage. Consider adding cedar blocks or sachets to protect stored textiles and prevent pest issues. Create an inventory list of your holiday decorations to make setup and takedown more efficient. Add hooks or pegboard systems for hanging items like wreaths and garland. The goal is creating beautiful, organized storage that makes holiday decorating easier and more enjoyable year after year. Creating a cohesive farmhouse Christmas look throughout your entire home requires thoughtful planning and consistent styling choices. Focus on a unified color palette of creams, deep reds, forest greens, and natural wood tones that flow seamlessly from room to room. Use similar materials throughout: burlap, galvanized metal, reclaimed wood, and natural greenery to create visual continuity. Vary the scale of decorations appropriate to each space while maintaining consistent style elements. Balance high-impact areas like the living room and entryway with subtle touches in private spaces like bedrooms and bathrooms. Remember that lighting is crucial. Warm white string lights and candles create that cozy farmhouse ambience we love. Most importantly, choose decorations that reflect your family's personality and traditions, ensuring your farmhouse Christmas style feels authentic and lived in rather than overly styled. What an incredible journey we've taken together through every corner of your farmhouse Christmas home. From that welcoming facade to the cozy bedroom retreat, we've covered so many ways to infuse authentic farmhouse charm with holiday magic. Remember, the best farmhouse Christmas style, one that reflects your family's unique personality and traditions. Start small, focus on one room at a time, and build your collection of beautiful pieces over the years. I hope these ideas have inspired you to create your own farmhouse Christmas wonderland that will become the backdrop for countless precious family memories. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more seasonal decorating inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest home styling tips. I'd love to see your farmhouse Christmas creations. Share photos in the comments below and let me know which ideas you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy decorating, and may your home be filled with farmhouse Christmas magic.